Projection of points. In this question, 2 points are given, point C and D, and their position with respect to HP and BP is given. So we have to draw its front and top view, and after drawing the top and front view, we have to join the front view of both the points. Same way, we have to join top view of both the points with a straight line. So let us start with the question. So first of all, we have drawn x-axis, that's xy, that differentiate of vertical plane and horizontal plane. So let us start with the point C. So as given, point C is above HP and in front of BP. So from this statement, it is clear that the point lies in first quadrant. If the point lies in first quadrant, when we are going to draw projection, we have to draw front view above XY line. Let us start with the projection. First, draw the projector line for point C. So this is the projector line for point C, and the distance between two projector lines is 45. So at a distance of 45, we will draw the second projector for point D. So at a distance of 45, this is the distance 45. Now we have to draw parallel line to the projector line. So use roller scale. So this is the projector line for point D. Now as given is 20 mm above HP, so we will mark 20 mm above HP. This is the point, that is point C dash, and 15 mm in front of BP. So because this is first quadrant, so vertical plane and horizontal plane for this point, so we will mark 15 mm in front of BP, that is down side. This will mark as C point. Now point D is 30 mm below HP and behind BP. As it is below and behind BP, so this is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, above XY is horizontal plane, below XY is vertical plane. So we will mark respective distance. The distance, and that is point D is 30 mm below HP. So this side is HP. So 30 mm below HP means this is the distance of point D. So this is your front view. Why it is front view? Because this is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, the projection below XY is front view. Now is point D is 25 mm behind BP. So 25 this side. Point D. So we will mark respective distance. So for that sake, we have to draw extension line to draw projection, to dimension this distance. This distance is given as 20 mm. This one is 15 mm. This side is 25 mm. And this one is 30 mm. That is the front view of point C, top view point C, top view point D, front view point D. Now as per the question, we have to join these front view by the straight line. So front view and front view of this line point, so we will join like straight line like this, and top view of point C and D like this. The distance between these two lines is 45. This is the solution of the problem when one point is in first quadrant and second point is in third quadrant.